Hey everyone, state of the market for June. Didn't have an update last month after a very nice bit of annual leave. So what's happening in the market? So a few things. First of all, people are buying. We're seeing, especially our Victorian clients, pretty good buying conditions it seems in Melbourne and Victoria. And when I'm looking at some of the graphs and how prices or property growth's been pretty flat here for the last couple of years. That's no surprise, better buying conditions, whereas clients of ours who are buying in Adelaide and Perth and Brisbane as examples, it's certainly tougher because there's less stock, and certainly New South Wales as well certainly had more property growth overall compared to what there's been in Victoria. So anyway, so we're seeing many people buy, so absolutely good there. What else are we seeing? We're seeing, well, actually, if I just talk quickly about the next RBA meeting in August, with the site that we use, which tracks, the percentage chance of rate changes, 12% chance of a rate rise it's showing for August. So I certainly hope that's not correct. Well, hopefully the 88% is correct that there's no rate rise. Let's look at it. Let's put it that way. Now, the biggest item we're seeing is debt consolidation. So obviously a lot of people have found it tough in the last couple of years and may have found ways to get through till now, but gee, we're seeing more and more of it. So I just talk about one specific example. What we had there was we were trying to keep someone in the family home, single parent with children. We were talking about consolidating credit cards, so paying out credit card debt, paying out a novated lease. I think there was a personal loan there as well. There was also some funds to do some minor works in the home, but the big one here was keeping the family home. The cash flow, absolute key item. So sometimes with things like novated leases, it can look really good and maybe there's some taxation benefits. We're not advising on tax, of course. So that might look good, but at the end of the day, cash flows is really important. People have to be able to make the repayments. So we were so happy when we were able to find a solution, and we only found a solution with one lender, but that meant we could dramatically reduce the monthly repayments, and most importantly, well, what does that mean is that the family home can be kept, which is obviously, well, from our business, as you would have heard before, life-changing loans is what we're about, and if we can help people stay in their family home, then yeah, we feel very good about that, that's for sure. So state of the market, that pretty much covers it for June. In terms of where we're going for July, I think there's going to be more and more buying, especially in areas where it's a bit simpler, like in Victoria, but otherwise borrowing capacity is still very much a big issue in terms of the higher interest rates, which we're not seeing any sign of them dropping yet. Until next month, hope you have a great one. Thank you.